The Entourage Effect, high-quality hemp oil. When it comes to purchasing hemp oil for sale, you want to choose a high-quality oil that is as effective as possible to support your well-being. But how can consumers tell which methods are the best? While some companies manufacture their products by creating isolates, using harsh chemicals, we do it very differently at Functional Remedies. We focus on the most effective and natural delivery method to maximize the hemp plant's health benefits. And how do we do that? It's a process known as the Entourage Effect. There are more than 100 cannabinoids found naturally in the hemp plant. Instead of simply focusing on one beneficial element of the plant, Functional Remedies uses a whole plant processing method to also include terpenes, chlorophyll, and other nutritional elements that work together to improve the effectiveness of the product. This is what is known as the Entourage Effect. The team at Functional Remedies starts with growing hemp plants cloned from patented seeds that have superior genetics. Then, from the organic farm in Colorado, the plant's flowers, leaves, and stem material is transferred to the company's laboratory 3 hours away, where it is soaked in coconut or MCT oil in a gentle lipid infusion process. Technicians oversee the process, testing regularly to ensure consistency among batches so users can expect the results they seek from the tinctures, capsules, or salve. Try Functional Remedies today, then ask your body. We're confident you'll like the answer.